Hi everyone, I'm Karen. I wanted to share something that really changed the way I feel. Nervital. For years, I dealt with burning and tingling in my feet and legs. It was exhausting. But after finding Nervital, things started to turn around quickly. Nervital is a natural supplement made to calm the nerves and support overall nerve health. It includes ingredients like Alpha Lipoic Acid, which helps reduce nerve inflammation, L-Carnitine, which supports energy in nerve cells, and B vitamins that strengthen and repair nerve tissue. I've been using it for about a month now, taking one capsule with breakfast and one with dinner. I feel lighter, calmer, and much more comfortable. The burning in my feet has improved a lot, my sleep is deeper, and I wake up feeling rested. What's great is that Nervital is gentle on the body, but powerful in results. It's made from natural ingredients, non-GMO, gluten-free, and produced under strict GMP standards, so I trust it completely. Before Nervital, nerve pain controlled my days. Now I feel in control again. My advice, don't skip days and eat healthy to support the results. Only buy Nervital from the official website linked in the video description. That's the only way to make sure you get the original formula. Some copies out there can be weak or even unsafe. The official website offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it with zero risk. Go ahead and click the link in the description to get your Nervital and start feeling better soon.